1550.
1550. Okay, na sir.
Okay. Your name is Jitesh.
Yeah, sir.
You're from Kerala?
No, sir.
No?
I am from here only, local.
Local, huh?
Yeah. You are from Kerala, sir?
No, I am from Mangalore.
Mangalore, okay. Beautiful place, sir. Yeah, boy.
Thank you.
Sorry, you said thank you for what, sir?
No, beautiful place you told. But I found Hyderabad also.
Beautiful.
People are good. People are
Helpful.
the good.
Yeah.
Rather, I liked Hyderabad.
Okay. It's a good place, sir.
Yes.
Everybody says the people are helpful and good
Yes,
and all
yes.
that.
Very, very excellent people. Because I used to travel. I was staying in north and south also.
Okay.
In my last 28 years career,
Sir.
I started from Pune, Bajaj
Okay.
Auto,
Ji.
then Gujarat,
Okay.
then Chennai, then Bangalore, and as well as in Hyderabad. But I like Hyderabad much.
Sir, I am also a YouTuber, just letting you know.
Actually, my nephew also was a YouTuber.
Okay.
You might have heard Big Bang Biker. Have you heard Big Bang Biker? He was having a craze of riding the.
I am also a motovlogger. I am mostly a biker.
Right.
I like traveling around in bikes,
He's a
on the bike.
He's a software engineer, and he was also a YouTuber.
This I do like. I like meeting people.
Great.
So now I met you. I am happy for no reason. For example, like now.
Even
Yeah.
I thought the same thing, because normally I used to travel from last 2 years in the same road.
Okay.
I didn't got a vehicle like you. I really surprised. So people won't keep the vehicle like this for.
It's a premium hatchback. It's
Yes,
a nice car.
Yes, exactly. And you are also super.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So what do you do, sir? I mean, like, what do you work as?
Yeah, I'm working as a head of a department.
Okay.
Department, projects and purchase.
Okay.
So I did my engineering from Karnataka and MTech and PhD from.
Whoa.
Yes.
MTech and PhD. Great, sir. So you did it?
It was a fashion.
Uh-huh.
It was a fashion.
Uh-huh.
I didn't meant money, but I pursued degree.
Uh-huh.
So I grabbed a job here during the COVID.
Okay.
Actually, I was in Gujarat.
Okay.
So I was working for a company COVID,
Okay.
and at that time I got a job at Hyderabad.
Okay.
I moved to Hyderabad, but initially I was working here only. Our head office is there.
Okay.
You might have just we crossed
Okay.
nearby State Bank of India.
Okay.
So that's why I took a rented house in Bajar, that Gauri Shankar.
Yeah. I have friends there, sir. This is my childhood area. I've grown here.
Great.
So I've got a lot of friends here.
Yes.
My entire childhood I've walked around in these areas. So, yeah, it's a lovely place. I mean, like,
Yes.
it depends, sir. I feel like it is a life of perspectives. I mean, all our life is a game of perspectives.
Yeah, exactly.
If you look at something beautifully, it will look beautiful to you.
Yes.
If you don't look at it beautifully, everything will be like, oh, rubbish, man.
Yes,
What is that?
exactly.
So I would like to have this perspective that everything is beautiful. Maybe I am not seeing it.
Yes.
And sometimes things are ugly. I think we need to have that emotional intelligence to say, okay, this is ugly. This is beautiful. Maybe I am not able to see it.
Correct. Exactly.
So, yeah, sir.
And everybody is perfect according to their own view.
Yeah. I mean, if I ask you, sir, are you the most good person? You would say, like, sir, between you and me, who's good? You would first say, I am good.
Yes.
I mean, you yourself. Nobody advocates for others, right?
Yes, exactly.
But if the perspective changes and we start treating everybody saying that, okay, everybody is a good person. Let me look at the good side.
When two people are arguing, we have to go and see in their place, and we have to think their perspective or way of argument.
Yeah.
So sometimes due to the ignorance or something, both are arguing, they are feeling that they are correct.
Yeah.
So actually we can't judge the people by their argument who is right or who is wrong.
Yeah, sir. Ultimately, it's about empathy, being in others' shoes and like
Exactly.
thinking about the scenario.
Because
That is what makes us human, Gada.
yes.
I mean, like, why are you called human? Because ultimately you have a higher level of intelligence
Yes.
to understand things. If you're not understanding, then you're ultimately behaving like animals. Then.
Animals, right?
And of course, we are also animals.
We are also animals.
Animals.
We consider other animals only the animals.
Animals. How beautiful at this point.
Normally, people used to think that we are all the superficial and
Superior species.
superior species, and we think other animals are only animals.
Beautiful, sir. Nice point. Nice note to start our day. It feels nice to be meeting such people in the day. now, sir.
Even I got impressed with
Yeah.
your conversation, and
Thank you, sir. And this channel is also about this, sir. I mean, like, there are a lot of times we say that drivers are, we keep a label saying that engineers are bad, drivers are bad, doctors are bad. But the point here is, no profession or any profession is bad.
yes,
It's ultimately people good or bad.
people good or bad.
And
Exactly.
ultimately, you may be bad in someone's story.
Yes.
I may be bad in someone's story.
Yes.
So life goes on.
That depends upon their own perspective. I told you, how the good or bad about our thinking, and normally we will match with the same frequency people.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
today I am
definitely.
enjoying with you because you are also sort of such a person. So, and really I can say you loved your job, then you consider only this as a job.
Yeah.
So you kept a car like anything. So it's really
Thank you,
awesome,
thank you, sir.
awesome.
Thank you, sir.
I enjoyed after 2 years. 2 years of traveling.
Lovely, sir. Think that's your car only.
Yeah, no.
It's your car. You are enjoying. I mean,
It's such a pleasant feeling. You can say. Normally, as soon as I will get into the car, I used to call my wife and
Speak to her, maybe.
Speak to her because I want to during the travel I want to
Have some
utilize
peace.
that time because of uncomfortableness or anything during the journey.
Yeah.
I want to avoid that, but today I'm not feeling to call her.
I'm glad, sir. I'm able to give you that experience. And this is somewhere about that also. That can I give you a good experience?
Yes.
Can I make you feel better? Can I make your day?
Yes.
Can you start your day on a good note?
Exactly.
I mean,
So such only one, I can say hardly 1 or 2% people in the world they will think in that direction. So I used to think in the same way. Means normally I will start my day by beginning how best I can improve my skills and
Uh-huh.
how much I can dedicate today and how better I can perform from yesterday. So with that. Some social concern should be there.
yeah, sir. So yeah, sir, we do a lot of charities as well. I mean, we are a group of friends who have a foundation, like who have an organization.
Okay.
So we visit a lot of NGOs and do a lot of good work. I mean, like serving.
Actually, I'm basically from RSS background.
Acha.
Yeah, and I joined with so many NGOs
Uh-huh.
in Bangalore.
Sir, tell us more about RSS, sir. Your
Rashtriya Seva Sangha is dedicated towards
society. Good for society.
Society. Our main concern is our nation and our people.
Yeah.
So in that, no caste discrimination, anything will come. But people used to say that RSS will support blah 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 so and so party and all. So, but it's not true. It's not true. You might have seen so many floods and so many disasters happened. During that, RSS will stand first.
Yeah.
So,
It's called Rashtra Nirman.
Rashtra Seva Sangha.
Okay. Yeah, but let's say it's about
Yeah.
nation building.
Yes. Especially I am from Udupi.
Okay.
Udupi, Mangalore, that region.
Okay, so
Ocean.
Udupi restaurants and everything, like it is
Yeah,
linked to that
they
place.
are keeping the name, but not actually all are Udupis. I visited some of the Udupi hotel
Uh-huh.
by thinking that it is from Udupi, but owners are not at all from Udupi. Neither they are from Telangana. Also.
Taste, sir, how's the taste in Udupi?
Yeah, taste and cleanliness.
Okay.
Mainly not only taste, hygienic cleanliness. It is famous. Udupi hotels are famous for that.
Okay. Sorry, sir, maybe I cut you off. You were talking about the RSS.
Our Prime Minister himself is from the RSS background.
Yeah.
Whether you like it or not, he is a Prime Minister of India. Right. So many people, RSS gave so many good
So,
people,
such great leaders.
great leaders. Yes.
So there is something that they may be doing right now. But tell me about this, sir. Let's say RSS usually, how does a day look like? I mean, you guys go for some this all
So
this thing.
initially, basically, see, I joined RSS in the second standard itself. Okay.
Papa.
So we in our coastal area.
Sir, your papa was also
Yeah, he is
interested.
RSS guy. Yeah. So our forefathers also from RSS only. So normally I used to say this word. So 90% or 95% of the coastal region people, especially Hindus, are joining to RSS.
Okay.
And they will join their kids into RSS.
Mhm.
RSS school, Seva Bharati,
Acha.
Sangama, like that name will be there for each school.
Okay.
And all the good things they are teaching from the childhood. See,
Okay.
so we basically will be taught in our home that how to live, how to lead the life, and what is right, what is wrong, what are the about Mahabharata, Ramayana, or Bhagavad Gita. If you join a RSS school or RSS group, every day we used to have a story of this from the childhood. Who is Shivaji? What he did for the nation? Like that. About Chandrasekhar Azad, a freedom fighter. Every freedom fighter we used to discuss. So that child from the childhood, it will motivated by the Desh Bhakti as well as
Respect towards nation.
respect towards nation, especially integrity in the work. All those things by birth it is coming.
Yeah.
So that's
And
what-
also these guys are ancestors.
yes,
We should know about our
yes,
people.
yes,
We should know what
Yeah.
our people have done,
done
from where our country is
Yes,
coming,
yes.
where we are leading.
Exactly.
I mean, like, there is a very good quote that I always remember, that you should never forget your history.
Right. That's right.
At least from that perspective also, we all should know about history.
Yes.
At least some bits and pieces about
Yes.
the rich culture, rich heritage
culture.
that our country
Exactly.
has.
So in that direction, and RSS teach only one thing. Whoever in the problem, we have to help them.
Uh-huh.
So we have to see our surroundings, and we should dedicate some sort of help to them, or means by giving some sort of help, either through finance, or you can do by seva, something.
Yeah, very beautiful point.
Some people may like, may not like.
It's okay also, no, sir. I mean, like, it's not necessary that everything that you and me do should people like.
Right.
And it's okay.
Right.
That is difference of opinion and we respect it. This is India, where like you can hate me, you can say anything to me. But the point here is, I would also not like to be someone else. I would like to be myself.
Exactly.
And we are respecting each other, right?
I have an apartment in Mangalore.
Okay.
I purchased it on my own money.
Yeah.
So in that apartment, a watchman with the 2 kids are there for him. His family is staying. For that two kids, the entire education, this thing I am looking after. They're till in 6th and 5th standard.
Okay.
But that one responsibility I took, and I asked them to put in a better school. So
Nice, sir. Someone with a good heart. You know.
that's whatever is possible we have to do. That's what. Really speaking, I never met people like you. those who are in good job as well as doing the part-time job. So normally I understood that software engineers are, sorry to say, they're little greedy and they don't do such things. Means they enjoy their life by in the other times.
Yeah, sir. And also, like, I'm also doing this because of I have got some financial scenarios as well.
Somebody asked me, how much property you have. I told I had, but I lost out of the great property, like 2 Taj Mahals, greater than Taj Mahals I was having, and I lost those things. They asked where it was. I told my parents. So because for me they are greatest than any monument.
Yeah, sir. Also, because I need money, also I'm doing it.
Yes.
At the same time, I like content creation. Now, for example, can your experience help somebody? For example, like, there may be a youngster sitting there.
Yes.
Maybe your life can be an inspiration to them.
So inspiration in the sense, in that direction, if you are asking, I would like to tell, I came from a remote village.
Yeah.
So where I am the first engineer,
Yeah.
and my cousin brother, we are living in the joint family.
Okay.
He's the first doctor,
Okay.
and even I am the first MTech graduate, and I am the first PhD holder in my village.
Oh.
So I'm the guiding source for so many people. And in between, while I was doing pursuing the PhD,
Yeah.
I was working as an associate professor in an engineering college. So I guided, means I promoted, I can say, I motivated so many students. Few of them in abroad, and they used to remember me, especially in the Teachers' Day. So, and my birthday. So I tried my level best
To make a difference in
Yeah.
people's life, I guess.
right. So especially those who are struggling to pass the engineering, they are in US today. So because it is not that ability, their ability, they lost their concentration or motivation somewhere.
Sir, are good people treated well in the society? Do people take advantage of good people?
Yeah, it all depends. But I can say you should not think about who is utilizing you in what manner, but you should take it as a challenge. What good you can do to anybody,
So-
even he may be your enemy.
I should follow my dharma.
Right.
I'm born
Yes,
for good.
exactly,
I'll do good.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
I'll leave them to their karma.
Karma.
Saying, go
Yeah.
man.
Accepting or rejecting is up to him. And one more thing, we need not to work to prove ourselves. We have to work everybody to improve ourselves. That's what the concept I can think of, because we can't impress or permanently make happy to anybody. We can't satisfy anybody, any management, any where you can work. You can't satisfy 100% to anybody,
Yeah.
because it's up to you, up to them. Some people, without giving 100% also, they will get satisfied with you. Some people, after giving 120% also,
They'll be like,
they will be like,
you should have done 150%.
right.
But sir, let's say job wise, what is it that you exactly do, sir? I mean, you are into procurement and projects.
Yes. See, every day there is a challenge for us to improve the quality.
Okay.
We have to improve the quality by searching the, means increasing the better vendors.
Okay.
So with the better price, it is a challenge.
So that is
you
what
need
purchases department
yeah,
does.
Yes, it is a Indian concept. You might have understood. It is a Indian concept. We used to say cheap and best.
Yeah.
So we need cheap. We need Sony TV at a cost of Sanyo or something,
Yeah.
local TV
Yeah,
price.
got it.
That's what management is looking after. And only the price is not the concern.
Quality
Or
as well.
quality is also the second category, and timely supply is very, very important.
Yeah, and
If it
purchase
is-
department plays a very
Yes,
important
yes,
role.
Yes.
I think it
Purchase
is
is a
directly
backbone.
linked with manufacturing.
Yes.
But what does your company do, sir? I mean, what is it into?
they are manufacturing crushers,
Crushers.
crusher machines.
Crusher means, sir, what do they crush? Stones and-
Stone crusher, stones, limestone. So initially
Nice.
they are only selling in India, but now it is a Asian largest manufacturer, and
Nice,
we are
nice.
exporting.
Nice, sir. I feel nice that Indian companies are being so big.
Yeah,
Because
it's a
ultimately
good
Indian companies should rise. They should
rise.
actually do.
And,
That is how India will become richer.
yes, our company is doing about 1,500 to 2,000 crores.
Very nice, sir. May
turnover.
God bless. Like they do more. I think you are first a good person. Then in support you also got good management.
No, it's not like that. We may be good sometime, but opponent may not be good. See, that's why I used to say, you only find a good in me.
You speak good English, sir. Even though you are from a very humble background and like.
No, it's not. I really appreciate your English, because your English is.
I mean,
so
I'm born and
fluent.
brought up in Hyderabad, so
Yeah.
I'm sure that. I mean,
And moreover, in our field,
Yeah.
nobody will speak English. Here, fluency in Hindi and Telugu is sufficient.
you know Telugu now. At least understand.
I can understand. I used to speak, but not fluently. Like my
కొంచెం
English-
కొంచెం
Huh?
కొంచెం కొంచెం
కొంచెం కొంచెం అర్థమవుతుంది.
అర్థమవుతుంది.
కొంచెం కొంచెం.
But you might be knowing Kannada now, sir.
Kannada. Reading is not at all issue, because both the
Kannada and
scripts are
yeah.
same.
It's like same only.
Same,
Ditto.
same.
Only some difference.
Some language I used to little bit, means whatever is required at that time I have practiced.
In Kannada,
Mm.
let's say whenever I go to Bangalore, I don't have language problem because I'll speak in Telugu only.
Yes.
I'll go to the shop and I'll say, Anna, idi kavali, adi kavali. And they will mostly understand.
Yes.
And they will laugh also.
Right.
But the point here is, what is language?
Yes.
It is a medium of communication. That's all.
Communication, exactly.
So they will understand and they will respond also,
And
saying no
more-
appa. So you take a cab every day, sir?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. But lovely meeting you, sir.
Even I feel the same, because after a long
I'm feeling very happier.
time,
Yeah.
means I may be saying, one fellow was talking to me. He came from Kashmir and he was struggling.
Okay.
This is the second conversation. So he was asking the help. Then I gave two contact of my suppliers.
Help regarding what, sir? I mean,
Staying and
Okay.
he need a job or something like that.
being a driver is not easy, sir.
Right, exactly. Somebody hit that.
Yeah. It's okay, sir. I mean, every day somebody or the other is scratching my car. But I don't want to fight them. I'm a certified fitness trainer and a kickboxer. So that guy only did it. But it's
Bike guy.
okay. Yeah,
Bike
bike
guy.
guy. Splendor wala. He doesn't even want to say sorry. He's like, he saw me. He's like escaping. But it's okay also. I feel.
No, what they will feel means, if he want to come and ask you sorry, you may ask something. That is the negative will come first in their mind.
But I mostly try not to.
This is the bad culture, because of from the childhood they have been not trained like that.
Yeah, sir.
Here to be frank, I am telling you, schools like RSS schools are giving better training.
What he can do is just say Anna sorry.
Yes,
That's enough.
That's what. Yeah.
A small word.
A small word he can do.
Yeah.
But he's running away like a
He saw me. He's like full on like, okay, fine, I didn't do anything.
Right.
And also it's nicely maintained, no, sir.
Right,
I like
exactly.
to keep it neat. I mean, like I usually, whenever I find time, suppose no booking is coming,
Yes.
I'll get down, I'll wipe it. Not because somebody will ask, because it's my car. It's Lakshmi for me.
Yes.
So yeah.
That's what I told you in initial. Within a second or two, I realized you love your job like anything.
I like meeting people. I love speaking to people. And yeah, sir, I'm enjoying this phase. That's all I can say. In Mangalore, the language is Kannada only, sir, or something else?
Kannada, and one more language is there,
Tulu. It's called Tulu or Tulu.
Yes.
Sir, in Mangalore, do they speak Goan language? Goa, maybe there is a language. No?
Yes.
That is Tulu.
Yeah. No. It is
Tulu.
Konkani.
Konkani.
So in Mangalore, so many people used to speak. Even my mother tongue is Konkani.
Okay. Do you understand Marathi? You speak
Yeah.
Marathi?
Marathi I can understand but not able to speak properly.
Because Konkani and Marathi are similar, no?
Similar, not exactly. Means Konkani is the blend of Bengali and
Bengali?
Bengali also.
Ah.
Bengali, some words are there.
Uh,
And Marathi,
okay.
as well as some local language, all those things together. It is a different kind of thing. But Konkani and Marathi are similar.
In Bangalore, you would have seen a lot of beautiful places. But have you gone to Goa and all for beaches and all?
Beaches.
Where are beautiful beaches in Bangalore or in Goa?
Go if you like to means visit the beaches, means Goa only first preference.
I've been to Gokarna once. Gokarna is also nearby
Yeah.
that all, you know.
Yes.
Vibhuti waterfalls and all.
Yes. Gokarna beach also is there. You might have gone
I've
to
been there. I've been to Murdeshwar. I've been to
Murdeshwar,
Yeah.
yes.
What is called, sir? Murdeshwar.
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 Murdeshwara.
Murdeshwara. It's Shivji temple only, no?
Shivji temple. Yes.
I like traveling, sir. I like meeting people. This is all I want. Just meet, travel people, and that's all. And for livelihood, anyways, there is a dog's life. I mean, we will have to work and get the
Yes.
money.
It is a part of life.
Yeah.
Hyderabad, only one problem I have seen is the traffic is not properly made.
I think the traffic is not the problem. The civic sense part. I think it is a problem in India, general.
Right.
See, for example, if my signal is there, I should go. Now there, the traffic, you will see that there is only because people would have kept carts on the road.
Right.
Somebody's taking a U-turn. Unnecessary traffic will be there. But if we start thinking that, okay, can I think about you?
Yes.
If humans start thinking like
Right.
for
right.
others, then life will become easy for everybody.
Exactly.
But it's mostly like I should go first. If
Right.
everybody goes first, who is going second?
They are not thinking about
Then-
others. Right. Exactly.
I don't think you are a person who will say like, no, I have to go fast and all that.
No,
You are mostly a person who will say, आराम से जाओ, कोई बात नहीं है.
Today really I enjoyed because you are speaking with me and the way you ride the vehicle is excellent. So normally I am sitting and sometimes I am feeling I am sitting in an ambulance. So they will look like anything. Yesterday also
Yeah.
I really got annoyed, but I what to do? We have to adjust with the people.
Are you a beach person or a mountain person? Do you like beaches?
My village is nearby beach only.
Oh.
So that's why I am a beach person, because we used to go, even if I am going to native, I will go with my family to beach. We used to go every day, I can say every evening.
So seeing beach for so long, you guys get bored of the beach or like it's exciting still?
It is a natural beauty. You won't get bored. Once again, it is I told you, it is liking. It varies from person to person. Great human being. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. You have a good day.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. Good day, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.